Temu is a website where you can buy almost everything at a very, very affordable price, and they can ship everything to you free of charge. Their packaging is excellent, and you can return what you don't want. Why nobody told me about Temu all this while? So I found out this website, Temu Shop Like a Billionaire. So I decided to give them a try, and I've gotten a lot of items from this website, and I was not disappointed. I got a lot of winter clothing for my children, and I got some household items, but I could not record all of them, but I started to record this one. So in this shipment, I have some household items like decorative flowers. So I saw this bunch of pot flowers, and I have a new space where I need to decorate, so I started to pick them and use them for my decoration. I think it's about six of them. I counted this. It's about six different design of flower. This one like aloe vera, just different types and designs of flowers. Meanwhile, this is artificial flower. They are not real plant, so I'm going to be using them to decorate my space. And then next, the most important of them all, it is pot. So I've been wanting to get this transparent glass pot, and finally I have it now. So this glass pot, I've wanted to have it because I love the fact that when I start making my recipe videos, you can easily see what is inside. So basically, I want to use this for my weight loss recipes. So as I'm cooking all the ingredients, you can easily see everything inside, how beautiful it is, and all that. So, and the next one in this package is also a decorative item. Recently, I don't know what happened. I've really been liking a lot of decoration, and I have seen a different decoration done with this type of grass. They call it Pampas grass. So I decided to get one for myself. All the ones I've been seeing are just pure Pampas grass, but in the Temu website, I saw this one that has a mixture of other color, and it really looked very beautiful. I was like, why not? Just look at how beautiful this flower is. Meanwhile, I've ordered a vase. It's not flower vase, it's not yet here, so I'm going to put it in it. I'm going to put the Pampas grass in the vase. So next one is this tiny hooks. I
Stick it on the wall.
I use it for my sponge in the bathroom. You can actually use it for anything in the kitchen. Use it to hang your cookware, your spoons, and the rest of them. Then I got this earring. Go the Temu app, and you can get a lot of things that you may like at a very, very affordable price. And the most important thing is, as a first user, the website will give you £100 voucher to shop with. Thank you very much for watching.